In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now at a very strong support. But the question is, are we going to see a recovery right now for the whole crypto market? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, as previously mentioned, I think we were expecting somewhat of a, yun nga, meron tayong descending triangle and then nag-try tayo mag-break to the upside. However, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, in order for this to confirm the move, this must have a buy volume. Kasi if walang buy volume, then this is going to lead into a fake out. And look at that. We did not see any buy volume in that case. That is not a confirmed buy opportunity or breakout. So in that case, nagkaroon tayong fake out and then we saw this dip. And then yun nga, pinakita natin sa live kahapon regarding the previous price action. But right now, what's next for the crypto market? So right now, let's try to delete this triangle na kasi yeah, that's invalidated. But as we're going to see, we are actually forming this declining price. The price is declining while the RSI is currently increasing. In that case, we all know na that is a signal for a bullish trend reversal signal. So right now, we are going to wait this one out if we're going to see a bullish trend reversal signal. But right now, this is already a good buying opportunity. Now, why is this a good buying opportunity? Well, it's because if you're going to look at the daily time frame, itong current area natin is actually the 100-day moving average. And if you're going to look at the historical data, the 100-day moving average is actually a pretty strong support for the Bitcoin price in the recent bull market. Kasi dun sa previous bull market, strong support natin was the 50. Pero right now, the 50 is not actually the best support. It's actually the 100-day moving average. And if you're going to look back in time, last year, 100-day moving average din yung ating naging support. So right now, I think we might see a crypto recovery with the Bitcoin price action, especially now we are at the 100-day moving average. So in this case, I think now we are going to see a big bounce. But the question is, when are we going to see that bounce? So in order for us to see that bounce, we need to see dito na bullish divergence in the daily time frame. Though we are seeing already a bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame, it's much better na magkaroon ng bullish divergence in the daily time frame kasi look at that. Bullish divergence in the daily time frame are more powerful than the smaller time frame. So right now, what we need to watch out for is if we are going to see a bullish trend reversal signal dito by waiting out for a bullish divergence. So right now, yun yung ating titingnan dito for the Bitcoin price and then yun yung abangan natin. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. So as usual, if you want to sign up dito kay Bingbon and if you want to claim bonus, just use my sign up code that you can find in the description down below. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. Now we are going to wait this one out, itong bullish divergence. And ano ba yung usual target ito? It's actually the 50 moving average. So ang usual target ito would be the 50 moving average. But if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you can also see na may possible bullish divergence in tayo na you can follow at the 50 moving average. So right now, yun yung ating i-monitor with the Bitcoin price action. Now, speaking of altcoins, let's look into our 10K challenge first. So if you're going to look at this, despite of the Bitcoin dip, look at this guys, despite of us having the Bitcoin dip, di ba ginagawa lang natin, nagbuy lang tayo and then hodl. May iba kasi gusto na gawin na mag-leverage trading lang kasi doon tayo kikita. Pero look at this guys. Kahit nag-dip na si Bitcoin, we are still in profits pa din sa buong portfolio natin. No? Hindi naman buo, pero yeah, most of our portfolio is still in profits. Look at this. Our Bitcoin portfolio is still up 15%. Ethereum portfolio is still up 18%. Binance Coin, ang laki pa din. Our Binance Coin is currently up 42%. Solana is up 33% and AVAX is up 47%. Though Cardano and VeChain is down ng 34%, 5 to 34%, our overall, yung ating overall profit rate, let's try to zoom this one in. Look at this. Our overall profit rate is still up 14% in our 10K challenge. So right now, looking good ang ating 10K challenge. And as you can see, hindi mo naman kailangan palagi mag-trade. You can actually just buy the dip and then hodl. And then, as you can see, you are already in profits as long as we are in a long-term Bitcoin bull market. So as you can see, we are still in profits and looking good right now. And yeah, right now, our biggest mover is actually AVAX and Binance Coin. So let's try to look into Binance Coin then as we want to know that update. But with that being said, let's dive into Ethereum first. So right now, di ba nagkaroon tayo ng dip, nagkaroon ng Bitcoin dip, and di ba sabi ko sa inyo, the best buying opportunity right now for Ethereum is actually this red support level, which is the 4,000 US dollars. Ako nagbuy ako ng dip dyan. And look at that. We saw that bounce exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you have been buying the dip. And yeah, I actually bought the dip. And look at this. Kasi if you're going to look back in time, this area is actually the previous resistance. It's now going to act as a strong support. So right now, we saw that bounce exactly. And yeah, right now, just by the dip lang. And wala pa tayong signs kung ano ba yung mangyayari next. But so far, ang pwede mong gawin ngayon is just to follow this in the spot wallet. Kasi look at that. That is buying opportunity in the spot wallet. So right now, Ethereum is going to be, it's more likely going to rebound dito. But look at this. Ethereum is actually pretty much consolidating dito sa area na yan. It's actually moving sideways. So as you can see now we are starting to form somewhat of a descending triangle. So if this is a descending triangle ngayon for Ethereum, then yeah, let's try to look at this in the daily time frame. I think mas maganda siya sa 4-hour time frame. Yeah. So if you're going to look at this, if this is a descending triangle, then our target breakout for this is going to be more likely around the 5,000 US dollars or 5,000, roughly 5,100 US dollars. So yeah, if ma-break natin yan, then yun yung ating bullish scenario. But if this is going to break bearish, then our target is more likely going to be 3.2k, which I think na it's not going to happen na bababa tayo ng 3.2k. Yun yung personal thoughts ko. But yeah, ito yung ating charting ngayon. You can see na ang ating scenario would be more likely the 5.1k area. So right now, yun yung ating for the Ethereum price action. I think this is going to consolidate pa muna dito within this area. And yeah, if this breaks bullish, then that is going to be a good long opportunity. Pero right now, just buy the dip in spot wallet. Looking at Binance Coin, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng massive bounce dito sa ating 588 US dollars. So right now, BNB is actually looking pretty strong right now. And may strong resistance tayo actually at the 664 US dollars. So right now, if this is going to bounce, I think ang kailangan niya ma-break in order for us to say na mag-flip bullish tayo with BNB is we need to break the 661 US dollars. So right now, 660 or 661 US dollars is the target area to break. And if this breaks, then our next target would be around the previous all-time high, which is the 680 or 690 US dollars. And if we break that to 690, then 987 na yung ating next target for the BNB price action. And last but not the least, let's talk about VeChain kasi look at this. VeChain is actually looking good right now. So, andun tayo actually sa area kung saan tayo pwede makuha ng bounce kay VeChain around the 10 cents up until the 12 cents. So, right now, this is a good buying opportunity for VeChain. So, yeah, you can see na meron tayong declining price too and an increasing RSI that could indicate na we might see a bullish trend reversal signal for the VeChain price action in the coming days. So, we are going to monitor this if we are going to see a bullish trend reversal signal. Pero on top of that, you can see na meron tayong falling channel. And if this breaks to the upside, then our target would be the top of the channel, which is around the 14 cents. And guys, para sa mga hindi nakaalam, meron din tayo actually ngayon na SLP promo with Bybit. So, all you have to do is just to sign up with my sign-up code na you can find in the description down below. Pag naka-sign up na kayo and then nag-verify na kayo, all you have to do is just to trade SLP. And if nag-trade kayo na SLP, you can actually win with our 25 USDT bonus or $20 worth of SLP token dito kay Bybit. So, sali lang kayo guys if you want to join with our Bybit. You can actually find this Bybit promo in the description down below. So, ayun muna update natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.